National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Armstrong County, northeastern Randall County, southern Carson County, southeastern Potter County, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Washburn, or 14 miles east of Amarillo, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Panhandle, Washburn, Claude, Groom, Goodnight, and Amarillo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong, Carson, Potter, and Randall.